welcome to the first video of my cooking series. I've been planning on doing this cooking series for a long time, and finally today's the day. So in this cooking series, I'll be sharing how I prep my daily meal. And for today's video, we'll be making beef curry. So here we have 1 kilogram of beef. It's the beef with bones, and I'll be sharing how I prep the beef the night before I cook it. Let me first tell you the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. This is the beef, it's washed and drained. And the spice is gonna be salt, the most important one. Then we have red chili powder. This is turmeric powder. This is coriander powder. And this is called garam masala powder. This is ginger powder and some black pepper. I also like to use this pre-made beef curry mix by Radhuni. This is mustard oil, regular cooking oil as well, half and half. And here I have garlic and ginger paste. So first of all, we will be putting some salt. So here I'll be using about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Next, we'll be using some red chili powder. This depends on how much spicy you like your food. I like it a little spicy, so I'll be using about 2 teaspoons. And the next ingredient is turmeric powder. For 1 kilogram of beef, I'll be using about 3/4 teaspoon. Next, I'm using some ground black pepper. This is optional, but it adds more flavor to it. After that, we're using some coriander powder. And this mixed spice called garam masala. This is one of the main ingredients. And I'll use about 1 teaspoon of this. Then I'm using some garlic and ginger paste. This also would be about 1.5 teaspoons. And this is also optional, but I'll be using this mixed spice. It's for beef curry. It's by the brand Radhuni, and this is all-in-one mixture. You can always use this one itself or add it with your own spice. I'll be using this maybe about 1 teaspoon. And next I'll put some regular cooking oil just to mix it all together, and also some mustard oil. Again, mustard oil is optional because it just adds a little more flavor to it. Then with this wooden spatula, I'll be giving it a good mix. Oh, and also I'll add some fresh lemon juice. This is also optional and it makes it a little more tender and flavorful. And instead of the lemon juice, you can always use some vinegar as well if you don't have lemon at home. So I'm done marinating it and it should go to the fridge overnight. And next morning I'll start cooking and we'll be adding rest of the ingredients. Yeah, so the overnight marination looks pretty good here. As I said, I took 1 kilogram of beef in here. This is beef with bone for this recipe. You must have beef with bone and some portion of fat. After all those spices I put in the marination, now I'll be cutting 2 medium-sized onions. So as I cook, this onion will melt all the way. Cutting onion is the worst part. I don't like the teary eyes after. So I just remove the first layer, and that way it's easier to peel the whole thing. We're done here. So just making like thin slices here. So now I'm taking this pot for cooking. This has a lid as well. So turning on the heat. To medium. And now I'll add some cooking oil, regular cooking oil, whichever you always use. I use the sunflower, so I just poured some of it, and then I'll be adding the whole beef I marinated. I'm also gonna be adding the onion, the 2 whole onion. And now I'll be giving it a good mix. Don't worry about how big the onion pieces are, because once they're all done, there would be no onion pieces left. They will all melt and turn into the gravy. So now I'm gonna let it cook like this for at least 1 hour. 1 hour. After 1 hour, I have to lower the heat and give it some good stir again and cook for another whole hour. And at that time, we will see how much water we need to add to it. Okay, till then, let's wait. And don't close the lid at this point. Adding some small onion, cutting them into half. Now this is almost done, and this is how it looks. This curry is best served with steamed white rice. Bolo, how's my cooking?
How's your cooking, Raisa? I'm gonna try it.
It's too hard still.
This is your beef? No, it's actually pretty good. Feels good. Ready, guys? Mmm.
Good or bad?
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
But?
No, it's good.
Very good?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay.
You gotta turn off the camera so I can finish it all.
Okay, enjoy your food.
Mmm.